Hello, everybody. So, the way people learn programming is that they learn the very basics and then usually you end up watching a lot of tutorials that are more in depth. The problem is with this approach that you don't really retain too much and you don't really learn all that much when you just watch things. So, what most people on the internet recommend is to build some projects, but most projects are not that interesting and they don't really set you apart and they're not really useful to yourself. So you might build a to-do list, but then everybody's building to-do lists and you might not really want to, like, what do you need really a to-do list for? And there's already so many to-do list apps. So instead, what you should do is you should pick a really nice project. And a really nice project is a language learning app because they start off as really simple. You can build really easily one, and there's many different variations, so you can pick what you like, and there's a lot of depth to them. So you can have a lot of technical, in-depth stuff like a learning algorithm or different sort of variations of like how to learn stuff. You can build different tools. It's really useful. And of course, you can use it yourself to learn some languages or anything, some medicinal knowledge, or basically think of Anki if you ever heard of it, which is a flashcard system, and building this something like that yourself that is has a lot of potential. So I'm gonna go ahead. I already built some language learning tools, but I'm gonna build yet another one that is quite simple. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a quiz taking app where you have a prompt and you have some options to answer, and there's a countdown timer. And with this, I'm gonna build like a MVP, minimum viable product, and release it. And you can watch me do it and sort of how like what problems I encounter and all this stuff. And you can easily build it yourself. And then once I finished it, I can sort of show how the steps to get there, like what challenges I overcome and all this stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you'll find this interesting and that it will inspire you to build also a really nice language learning app. Bye.